Hello guys and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so it's today. JAMB registration begins today. Okay, so as I've been telling you that am I going to sell the e-pins? Am I not going to? I am selling the e-pins, so you can contact me. All right, and just my WhatsApp details is on our video description box, so just WhatsApp me and I'm going to tell you the price. Okay, and I'm going to go on my system and show you some things. There are 5 templates that JAMB just introduced, okay, for registration, your registration process. So I'm going to go on the system now and quickly show you those templates. It's very key and critical, all right, and show you some other information. Okay, and one exciting one is the templates. If you can't retrieve your profile code, you lost that SIM and all that, there's also a template for you. I've shared all those templates. There are 5 of them. I've shared them on DTW tutorials groups. Okay, so WhatsApp group, okay, Facebook. Okay, I've not shared it yet on Facebook, but on WhatsApp is there. I'm going to share it immediately after this video. I'm going to share on Facebook and also on our Telegram groups. Okay, on our Telegram group. Okay, so let's get onto my system and I show you everything. All right, and yes, Lucky Headmaster now is on the DTW CBT app, so you can get it. For those that already have the DTW JAMB CBT app, Lucky Master is there. Just update your app, you're going to see it there. All right, and if it's your first time seeing us from DTW tutorials, your Lucky Headmaster is on the DTW JAMB CBT app. Summary, questions and answer, and for those also that you don't maybe you don't want to get the app is 4,000 naira per year. It contains all your digital past questions. All right, that's your paper book. You have everything. It has them inside there with your correct solution and with wonderful features that will help you, like question search. You can search for any topic under any subject, any question you can search for from the database, and it brings that out for you. Okay, so I just said I should mention that because we just did that update. All right, so now let's get onto my system. I show you the template and show you more information from JAMB. All right. Okay, so first of all, I want to quickly show you this information from JAMB. All right, so it says good news for those who cannot retrieve. This is the official Twitter handle of JAMB, so it is not my own news. All right, for those who cannot retrieve their previously used but lost SIM cards, a feature is now available at all CBT centers to address your case. So you fill the template. I have the template here. All right, now let me show you the cost for the official cost, the official amount for JAMB form, okay, from JAMB themselves. So mock is 87. All right, that's the UTME form with mock, I mean, is 87, and that without mock is 72. All right, then for people that are under 16, I will show you that form also 35, and for DE 57. All right, as I said, I sell e-pins, so contact me. Definitely my price is not going to be this price. I'm going to add my own commission or profit on it. Okay, so contact me right there from your home. I would send you your e-pin. All you need to do is just send me your profile code, send me your phone number, your email, and I'm going to as you pay, it will be sent to your phone number. You're going to see your e-pin, and what you need to do is take it now to the JAMB CBT center. So you take the your profile code and the e-pin after you've purchased from me. Okay, you're going to take that to the CBT center. You don't need to pay anything there. All right, because this is the breakdown of the cost of the e-pin you've paid. You have already paid for your literature text, the hard copy. Okay, that's the physical booklet. You've paid for it already. All right, it's in that e-pin, and also the registration fee cost is also in that e-pin. So you are not paying anything in the JAMB CBT center, okay, except you want to do some changes. All right, and which I'm going to show you that. That's anyway, when we get there, I'll show you. Except you want to do some other things, like you have changed something in your NIN before and you want it to reflect on your JAMB portal, you'll be charged for that. Then what other thing? Maybe they might tell you, okay, all those printout, you pay 15 naira or 100 naira for the printout. Those templates, don't worry, you can just do that. All right, but there's no other major cost again that you are to pay for. All right, everything has been paid in the e-pin. I'm just letting you know this so that you don't get there and someone says pay another how many thousand naira again. No, no, no. All right, so now how do we get the the template? You just come here. This is where the templates are. I've already downloaded it, but I just want to show you. Okay, so I've downloaded it on my system already. So let me close this. Let me show you where they are. All right, so you have the templates here. You can see we have 5 templates and I have opened them already. Okay, so let's look at the first template. Now, the first template is for DE students, direct entry students. I know, don't get confused. If it's your first time writing JAMB, this is not for you. Direct entry is for people that have been to Polytechnic and want to switch to BSc. That's want to switch into university. This is your form. It's already on our group. So just go download the PDF and your forms will start sales on the 10th of March. All right, direct entry students, don't worry. And yeah, very important, there's also news on the background that you'll be sitting for an aptitude test. Last year JAMB also said that, but they didn't do it. This year I'm not also sure. Let us still wait. Okay, but it's as if they've prepared for you guys. So I have created a group for DE students. That WhatsApp group, just check our profile bio. You'll see the links, or the links to our groups are on our profile bio. Okay, now look at this. This form is for those below 16. All right, I just want to do tryout. All right, you fill this. Basically it's in the CBT center that you do this. Okay, all right, so you fill this, you go to a CBT center and you'll be charged. All right, because you don't need all those profile code and all that. All right, and please, the approved JAMB CBT center, the list, I know you'll be asking, where's the approved JAMB CBT center close to my area? I have downloaded that from the JAMB website, the current approved JAMB CBT centers. Please don't go to a cyber cafe. All right, so it's on the groups. Just open the PDF, search in your state, your local government, and get the address of the one closest to you and go there. Okay, now this is very important. This is NIM data override template. What is this for? If you have done JAMB before and you have an information that it affected you from gaining admission and you want to correct it, okay, and you've already corrected it on your name, don't just go ahead to register. Can you see this? It says to be filled. Do you see this? To be filled before registration, submitted before registration. I have seen someone that's made this mistake and missed 2 years. So I had an issue. Okay, the previous year, 2023, he couldn't get admission. So 2024, he went to NIM, changed it. But when he came to to register JAMB, he just went ahead and registered, and that same old information came up. Can you see that? You have to first go to there's a charge to this. This is the charge now. You have to first tell them at the CBT center, I want to have a change. Please, guys, I want you to share this video. Share to help someone, so someone is not misinformed and miss another year of his life. Share this video, I beg you. All right, you have to first change that on the JAMB portal before you start your registration, because it has to be changed. If you just go and do registration, that same old information will show. So you fill this form and put your new information, and they will charge you and it will be edited. Then you now start your registration. All right, now what is this? This template is for those that can't retrieve, as I said, that can't retrieve their profile code. So JAMB has done this for you. So you fill in the previous details, you now fill in your new email, and they would send you authentication and all that. This is for you. Okay, you could not retrieve your profile code, just go to a CBT center. I don't know if there will be a charge for this, but just go there, fill this form and go there. Now finally, this is for you, your new new registrant or any other person, candidate. This is for you. You fill in your details, your choice of institution. I have done a video on this choice of institution, your UTME subject, your O level. If you have awaiting, you just put awaiting results. Then after your JAMB exam, after your WAEC result is out, you then upload your WAEC result to your JAMB portal. Don't worry, just join our groups. I'm going to be informing you when all that starts happening. Okay, so This is it majorly. JAMB registration has started. Please do get your e-pin. Contact me, WhatsApp me, all right, and I'll let you know the price and send your e-pin to you, and you take it to go do your registration. All right. Don't forget to join our online classes. We have intensive online classes, and also get the DTW JAMB CBT app to prepare. All right, and practice. You are destined to win. See you in our groups. Make sure you join our groups. See you in our groups. All right. Thank you.